Hello, this is Dave with MarineMax of Panama City Beach. Check this out. Today we got a Bennington pre-owned pontoon boat with elliptical tunes. Let's go check it out. This is the GBR 2250 with elliptical tunes, bottom paint, and only 108 hours. It is the Saltwater Series, and being a G22, it's actually 24 feet long. The elliptical tunes means that they're oval. They're wide and oval. They lift good, they handle good, they handle very similar to a tri-tune. There's aluminum decking, 150 horsepower Yamaha, big swim platform, and a great vinyl flooring. Let's go check out the top. And up from your swim platform, you have an opening door, the wash down hose, two nice reclining captain's chairs coming into your galley with the Corian top and the Corian top on your wet bar with pressurized water, nice stainless steel cup holders, beautiful lounge seating, nice swivel table, your captain's chair, as it always should be, raised and looking good, tilt wheel, Sony stereo, Lowrance, depth finder, and all your gauges. Only 108 hours on this, and it's only $35,500. Look at these beautiful lounge chairs, and it just keeps going. A couple of other features we're going to go over here real quick. Right here is where you put the water in, with more storage. Underneath, you have your battery, a little bit more storage under here. Of course, you got storage under the helm. Under here, place for more storage, which could be anything, even a trash can. And the best thing of all, this has a little bait station, just in case you want to go fishing. It has a crazy loud stereo. It sounds fantastic. It has blue LED lights in the canopy, all around inside the speakers. And underneath all of the bar area and all the countertops. If you want a nice pontoon at a great price, come check out this Bennington. It's a 2014 with only 108 hours, only $35,500. Again, 2014 Bennington Saltwater Series, 108 hours, $35,500. Come check it out today.